Hello everyone. Today we will start exercise 8.3, and the exercise 8.3 we have to study some of the formula. That formula we will use to solve the different questions from the exercise number 8.3. So some of the formula which we are going to use, I had written some of the question on the board, and along with this question we will use the formula. That formula I am going to explain. Then you can see we have one formula. Sin 90 minus A equal to cos A equal to cos. It means what? The sine is the what angle we are going to separate from the sine trigonometric ratio. Sine, it is equal to cos A. We will take one example. If suppose sine I am writing here 90 minus 40 degree. So it is equal to what? Cos 40 degree. Because the angle which we are going to subtract will be equal to the cos, the angle of the cos. Here we are going to subtract the 40, it will equal to the cos 40 degree. So sin 90 minus A equal to cos A means the angle which will be subtracted from the 90 degree will be the equal to the cos of 40 degree. I hope you understood this concept. Same there are the other formulas are also there. So 9 formulas are there. Same method you can use to solve the rest of the question. So angle which will subtract that will be equal to the another trigonometric ratio. So first question see, written that sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree, we have to find a value. To solve this question, always keep in the mind, either you have to change the numerator or the denominator. You will not change the numerator and denominator both together. So we will solve the first one. Sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. So it is equal to sin 90. Now what angle we have to 90 minus 72, because 90 minus 72 will be equal to how much? 18. 90 if we subtract from 90 72, it is equal to 18 upon cos 72. I already told we won't change the both the angles. Now here you can see we have I already told here the sin 90 minus 72 is equal to cos 72, because 72 is going to subtract this 72 degree upon cos 72 degree, and this is equal to 1. So here you can write one formula that sin 90 minus angle A, sin 90 minus angle A equal to cos A. So I hope you understood how we are use this formula, because if we are going to subtract the angle A, that will be equal to the cos A. So here I subtract the 72, it is equal to 72. So cos 72 equal to 1, because both are numerator and denominator are equal. The answer will be 100% 1. Now we will see the next question, this second one. Tan 20 degree upon cos 64. Tan, we change one, 90 minus, what we have to subtract from 90 that we should get here 64 upon cot 64. Now tan 90 minus angle A is equal to what? Cot 64, because 64 is going to subtract upon cot 64. The both answer is 1. Again, because tan 90 minus angle A equal to cot A. Cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. This we have to solve. I already told change any one. Change any one. This is equal to sin 48. So either you change sin or either you change the cos. So I am going to change the first one. So cos 90 minus, what we have to subtract? 42. If I subtract 90 minus 42, it is 100% is equal to 48. Minus sign 42. Now cos minus 90 minus angle E is equal to what? Sin 42. Because I already told cos 90 minus angle E is sin 42 minus sin 42. Sin 42 minus sin 42 will be equal to 0. 0 is the answer. So sin 42 minus sin 42 is 0, and here you can write that cos 90 minus angle A equal to sin A. Using this relation, we solve the question number 3. Now we see the question number 4. Now this question, fourth one, first question only. So here cosec 31 is given and the sec 59 is given. So we will change anyone. Write cosec 90 minus 59, because 90 minus 59 is equal to how much? 31 minus sec 59. This is equal to our sec 59. Sec 59 is equal to what? 0. This is the question number 4 is completed. First 4 is completed. Now we solve the question number 2. Tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42, tan 67 equal to 1. Now tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67 equal to 1. So tan 42 degree will be equal to 90 minus, this any two will change, 90 minus 42, because 90 minus 42 will be equal to 48 only, and tan 90 minus 67, 90 minus 67 will be equal to 23. Then next one is the tan 42, tan 67. This we have to prove equal to 1. So this will be equal to cot 42. This will be equal to cot 67. Tan 42. Tan 67. Now tan and cot, they both are related to each other. So cot we can write 1 upon tan 42. And this we also you can write 1 upon tan 67, tan 42, tan 67, tan 67, tan 67 cancel, tan 42, tan 42 cancel, is equal to 1. 1 is the answer. So this question gets complete. Now we take the next one. Cos 38, cos 38, cos 52 minus tan 38, sin 52. So any two again we have to change. So you can write here cos 90 minus 52, cos 90 minus 52 and cos 90 minus 38 sin 38 sin 52. This is equal to sin 52 sin 38 sin 38 sin 52, because cos 90 minus angle is the cosine. Now sin 52 sin 38 now whatever the value will get, if we multiply this both the value and from the this both the value, because this angles are same. Suppose if you can assume that if sin 52 is the 1 and the sin 38 is the 1 into 1 2 and 1 into 1 2, then both will be equal to each other. This is equal to 0. 0 is the answer for question number 2. Now we see the question number 3rd one. Tan 2a is cot a minus 18 and we have to find the value of angle A, and it is written that A2a is the acute angle. So here you can see here is the tan 2a is there, here cot A minus 18 is here. This both the angles, this angles we can't change anything, because in the all the trigonometric ratio we have to subtract from 90 the angles. Here the angle is subtracted from 18. So you can suppose you assume that it's tan 90 minus A is the formula. So in every question we are going to subtract from 90, because 90 is this both angles are acute angles. So here the value is subtracting from the angle, from angle we are subtracting 18. So we can't apply this formula in this here, because it should be subtracted from 90, then only we can apply. So we can write here as it is cot A minus 18. Here we can change tan 2a. So the tan 2a, we can use the one formula, tan is equal to cot 90 minus 2a. How this cot 90 minus 2a came? Because tan is equal to cot 90 minus a. So what is the angle we are subtracting here? A. Here in the place of A they had taken the 2a. So tan 2a is equal to what? 90 minus cot minus 2a. So in the place of tan 2a we get cot 2a. Now this both the side here it is the same. Now cot and cot will be cancel out. We get here 90 minus 2a A minus 18. This is the answer for the value of the angle A. So this completed the question number 3. Question number 3 of exercise 8.3. So now this question 8.3 is completed. Now we can solve the question number 4 also. Tan A equal to cot B. So here any value can change. I am changing a cot 90 minus angle A equal to cot B by using the relation tan A equal to cot 90 minus angle A. 90 minus angle A. Cot and cot cancel. 90 minus A equal to B, and the A plus B equal to 90 degree. This is the fourth question. So fourth question also get completed. A plus B equal to 90 degree. So along with the question 4, we completed the fourth. Now you can practice the fifth question and the fifth question. So that same way you have to solve the fifth question also. I hope you understood how to solve this question and try to complete work in the copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.